Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And also welcome back again to another video of best out of waste. In today's best out of waste video, I am going to make a storage box for which I have taken empty tea boxes, old newspaper, common stationery stuff, Fevicol, scissors. That's it. Let's begin. As you can see in this video, I am going to make a very simple storage box, and this can be made very quickly. I have taken 3 empty tea boxes, outer boxes. I have pasted those 3 tea boxes to one another and then covered it with newspaper. I pasted newspaper all over the boxes, and that's it. Our storage box is ready. You can store either the stationery stuff or our cosmetics products in the storage boxes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.